Give me that. Okay. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. My turn. Try some? Y'all see each other? Oh, your turn. Your turn. Okay. Y'all see him trying to do what I'm doing? So y'all, I take my baby's pacifiers away at 10 months. So Carson got 1 more month and I'll be taking this pacifier away. So, ooh, Lord. Not the camera collapsing. I love you, Marcy. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right, go play. Look at Creole. Carson. Come, no. Come to mommy. Come here. Good job. Good job, baby. You want to stand up? You want to stand up? Go, go. Come, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hi, Booski. Hi, Booski. Don't grab. No, don't do that to him. Gentle. Hi, Booski butt. No. You can't do that to Crew. Yeah, Mama. You can't do that to Crew. You gotta be gentle. Yeah, hi, Krisky baby. Hi, my Booski. Gentle. Come here. Gentle. Okay, watch out, Crew. Watch out. Yeah, baby. Mommy love you. You know I love you, Booski. Go. Y'all, Carson is crazy. Get up. Yeah. Y'all, I swear. Yeah, I swear it looks like I haven't done nothing over there, but I have. I finished washing the dishes. Carson was screaming to the top of his lungs when I finished washing the dishes. He's now taking a nap. Let's see if I can finish at least the kitchen before he wakes up. First things first, turning off this annoying Miss Rachel. Love you, Miss Rachel, but I need some peace and quiet. Hello you guys, I'm here to end this vlog, and I read a comment. I didn't get around to it in this vlog here, but I'm gonna do it in my next vlog. Someone said that I did not even take time to introduce Carson to you guys, and I am so sorry. I just assumed that you guys would already feel introduced from Instagram. I always assume that everybody here is already following me on Instagram. I don't know why. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to Carson next week. I'll tell you guys a little bit about him, when he was born and all that jazz. We are in our new home, and as soon as I'm ready, so we are in our new house, and as soon as I am ready, I will film a new house tour. I still have a lot that we're doing. As you guys can see, there's blue tape everywhere because the people are coming to do the drywall. They actually came today. Why is it focused over there? Like, focus on me. Focus on me. Be for real. Hold up. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Wow. So yeah, I will be filming that soon. I'm like slowly getting everything, and I'm being very like mindful of what I get this time for the house, because I don't want to like just splurge on anything and then end up not liking it and looking for a replacement. Y'all, that alarm scared me so daggone bad. All right, bye.